Hello guys and dolls! Welcome back to my channel. So, quick explanation as to why this is probably going up today before the rest of my Nightmare Before Christmas tutorials is because I had some issues with my editor software and it doesn't want to load the Sally. So, this came to me in a dream. And I was very excited. If you've seen part 1 already, you already know where this is going. I'm turning myself into Venom. So as you saw in that last tutorial, I made this completely by myself. I'm so excited with how it turned out. And I just cannot wait to get this finally on my face. So it is huge. It is a big, big prosthetic. It's gonna cover most of my face. But I'm so excited to actually do it because I wanted to do this trailer thing. So yeah, let's get right into it. If you've already done this whole process, you're gonna want to cover your brows and make sure your face is clean of any dirt and hair, because this latex will rip your hair out. Also, side note, if you have a latex allergy, please do not do this tutorial because it's latex, it's all latex, and that can be dangerous. So please don't do anything that you shouldn't be doing. So in order to prep myself for this, I'm going to go ahead and spray hairspray all of my hair back, because I don't want any of the baby hairs to get into the latex, because that will really, really hurt. So next what we're going to do is you take your latex prosthetic and hold it up to your face like so. Put it where you would like it, and then you're going to trim around everything. Can you hear me? Trim around everything you're not going to need. So I made it extra big because I want it to come over like this, but then I have to trim around the nose like so, down into here. Trim around the mouth, and then all this will lay right underneath of my neck like that. Alright, now that's done. Try it on again. And this will be about how it's going to look. Like this. Because in the picture, it's half and half on his face. So it's going to look like that. And we're going to go ahead and start gluing it in place now. And then we're going to cover these seams with latex and cotton again. So how you're going to do this is you're going to stick on a little bit at a time from the top to the bottom. That way you can lay it right. And I'm also going to bobby pin it on the sides. It's all the powder. Starting at the top, I'm going to take a little bit of my latex, or if you have Prozade, that works too, and lay it right down where you think that it's going to be. Little pro tip too, do not put it on your eyebrows. You will lose said eyebrows. Okay, and just because I need to see to paint my face, I actually did do a little hole there, but you won't really be able to see it. That goes there. And now, I'm going to take the little piece that I cut off. I'm going to attach it right along. And then when I paint, I'm going to paint through here. Now that that's done, we can get our black face paint out and start painting on the actual face of him. So now that I have patchwork done, I'm taking a black face paint, the one I always use for my wolf. And I'm going to start to fill in all the black areas. And now that I have that done, I'm going to go in and do my actual foundation and all of my eyes and everything. So alright, so now that I have my face done, going in, I'm going to get my face paint again and a smaller brush, and I'm going to start doing detail work and also putting the veins in. Now that you have that side of your face done, I'm going to go in with our cream color that we always use, the white, and start filling in up here. And I'm actually going to leave the teeth the color that they are now because they contrast with the white, and then go ahead and draw the teeth over that. Alright, so now that I've got all that done, I'm going to add highlights to the teeth. And with that, this look is done. Thank you guys for tuning in to my most intense and hands-on video I've ever done. I appreciate every single one of you watching here today, and I hope you try it too, because it's a lot of fun but a lot of work. Anyways, long story short, again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Welcome to the Belly Group, where all your darkest fears are gonna come for you.
I am a vicious hellhound. Do not call me cute or I will bite your ass.